Students, next graphical representation. Already we have discussed distance, displacement, acceleration, velocity, everything. Now we are going to discuss those things in graphical representation. First, distance time graph for uniform motion. Initially, consider this tabular column. Just time in minutes and distance in meter. That is, consider a person at 0 minutes he doesn't cover any distance. Then at 5 minutes he covered 500 meter. Then 10 minutes he covered 1000 meter. Like this it will goes on. At finally he covered 2500 meter in 25 minutes. Let us consider the graph from that tabulation. This is nothing but distance time graph. We can take the time in x-axis, that is minute, and distance in y-axis, that is in meter. You know, initially he doesn't cover any distance. Then at 5 minutes he covered 500 meter. So let us plot the point here. Like that, at 10 minutes he covered 1000 meter. So let we plot the point here. Likewise, it will goes on. At 25 minutes he covered 2500 meter. So this is nothing. Finally, we can plot the point there. So you can get the straight line like this. From this distance time graph, we can calculate the speed. You know the formula for speed. What is the formula for speed? That is, speed is equal to distance covered by time taken. What is the distance covered? Let us take the point from 1500 to 2000, that is BC. From 1500 to 2000, how long the distance travelled? That is 500 meter. At what minute? From 15 to 20 minutes. The difference between the time is 5. So BC is distance covered, AC is time taken. What is the value of BC? 500 meter. Then what is the value of AC? 5 minutes. Let us substitute the formula here. Then BC is 500. Then AC is 5. At finally you can get 100 meter by minute. So the person is moving with the speed of 100 meter by minute. Have you understand, students? Like that only we can calculate the speed of the person by this distance time graph.